In this video, I'm sharing how to make this beautiful semi-naked cake with gorgeous flowers made out of bean paste and a little bunny butt made out of fondant, so stay tuned. If you haven't already done so, please subscribe and click the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. For this cake, I'm using sweet bean paste, which I colored with beet powder. The link is in the video and also in the description box below, so you can use buttercream though if you prefer. And you can also use gel or paste colorings to color the bean paste. I'm adding some pink to make a darker, richer color that I want to add to my flowers. So here I am making a cone to use for the leaves, and I will link to that tutorial on how to make a piping cone. Use a tip number 352 and fill your bag with green. To create the orange for the stamens, add some yellow to your red paste or buttercream. Make another parchment piping bag and drop a number 2 round tip into it. Snip off the tip. Now add your orange paste or buttercream and fold over the edges. Next, prepare a pastry bag. This one is a 14-inch with a number 104 tip and fill it with the paste or buttercream. You can make the flowers more interesting by striping the bag. The darker color in this case is being placed at the wider end of the tip so that it corresponds with the wider end of the tip. The lighter color fills the rest of the bag. Place your cake sticky side down. Fill it with your favorite buttercream. This is the Italian meringue, which I love, and I will also put a link to that. Place the second layer and crumb coat that, then final coat your cake. I'm frosting my cake a little differently with an up and down motion here because of doctor's orders. I now have a rotator cuff injury and I'll have to relearn a new way to frost, at least for a while. Thankfully, this is a semi-naked cake, so I didn't have to do too much. I scraped off a lot of the icing and I removed some of the excess from the top. Piping a bead border using a number 12 round. I'm piping a mound of icing to give height to the arrangement. I made another paper bag with green and I'm using a number 2 Wilton tip to create some stems and vines. Then piping some leaves as a base for the design. For the flowers, hold your bag with the wide end touching the nail. Remember, that's the end that has the dark colored buttercream or paste. Pipe a ruffly base, so you're just going to make like a donut almost. Then start adding individual petals. So I piped the stamens first with this flower, and I decided to fill the center with a star. Use a pair of scissors to remove the flower from the nail and place it on your cake. Adding some gold sugar crystals before I place the rest of the flowers here. Enjoy the rest of the cake decorating to the music. And at the end, if you want to stick around, I have the worst happy birthday singing ever at the end of the video. So thanks for watching my Easter cake design idea video, and I'll see you soon. Thanks for watching my Easter cake design idea video, and I'll see you next week. Also remember, in the description box below the video, I have a ton of links for you to see that take you to various places like my Amazon shop, which I have all my favorite stuff in, and also my free ebook, which you can get if you sign up for my e-zine, and also my book, Wedding Cakes with Lorelei Step by Step, and a few other links as well. So enjoy, and I'll see you next week. Thanks a lot, everybody. And now for the worst happy birthday singing you've ever heard.
Happy birthday to you.
You started low.
Happy birthday.